Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to record screen in Samsung A16. If you're using Samsung A16 and now you want to record screen in your phone, so let's see how can you do this. First, let me explain that there isn't any built-in feature to record screen in your Samsung A16, but we can record our screen by using a third-party app. So open your Play Store app to record the third party app, which is screen recorder or X recorder. You must have to install this app. Just tap on install and it will be installed on your phone. So after the installation, you just have to open the app, open it, and here just make a simple setup. Here you just have to enable it first. Just look it here, and here the X recorder, just enable it. After that, just go back, and here you just have to allow all, then select allow again, and now you can easily record your screen. For recording, you will get a pop-up button here. You can easily use it to record your screen or take a screenshot. When you want to record your phone screen, just have to tap on it, then select screen recording option here. Just select it, and here if you want to record your voice or mic, so you just have to select it while using the app. So just tap on it, and now here let's see or select which one you want to record. Here's the single app or here's the entire screen. If you want to record just a single app, you just have to select this one, but if you want to record your entire screen, so you just have to select this. Select start, and it will start recording your screen. You can see the screen recorder has been started. You can easily add your screen by using these tools. Here's the circle, square, and here's the pens if you want to use. So that's how you can easily record your screen on your Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.